If you want to change your relationship with money, you could use SaveGiveBuy. It's available at www.savegivebuy.com. If you've reached the SaveGiveBuy homepage, that'll explain what it's all about. This video is just going to quickly explain to you how to use the application. SaveGiveBuy is designed to work on mobile devices so that you've got it wherever you are. It works on Android, Windows Phone, iPhone, iPod Touch, and any device that has a modern browser. So let me show you how it works using an iPhone. Go to the home page and just click Start Here. That will load up the application. Now you could use the application just as it is if you wanted to, but one of the nice things is to be able to add the app to your home screen. So you simply click on this icon, click Add to Home Screen, and give it a name. So we'll just call it SaveGiveBuy. Click Add. Now it gets added like any other app on your iPhone. So when I click on it now, when it opens, it will open without any of the Chrome that you normally associate with the browser, so you get to use all of the screen. Looking quickly at what's on the application, the idea is that whenever you're thinking of buying something, just type in the price. So let's say that I was thinking of buying lunch, and I type $15. It will tell me how many hours I would have to work to pay for lunch at that particular rate. It would also tell me how much interest I might earn over 3 years at a particular interest rate, and it will tell me what that money could do for a charity that I was interested in supporting. So the first thing you probably want to do is set up your profile. So click on My Profile, click on the button and type in the number of hours that you work, how many hours you spend doing work-related activities like travel, 4 hours, what's your weekly income after tax. For the purposes of the demo, let's say it was $900. And then enter the amount of money that you spend on work-related things. It might be lunch, coffee, snacks, travel, $50. Click on Calculate, and it will work out your hourly rate. Then you can choose what sort of charitable causes you like to support. In this case, I've selected a number of charities which are meaningful to me. Then enter the interest rate that you get from your bank for any savings that you have. Save your profile, and now whenever you type in a number, metrics on the screen will reflect your profile. The idea is that whenever you're thinking of buying something, you put it into SaveGiveBuy. It doesn't matter whether you buy it or not. Let's quickly go through the process. First, I'm going to buy some lunch. So I type in the amount of money lunch is going to cost me. I look at it and say, well, I'm going to have to work nearly an hour to pay for that. It could help some African families. Do I really need lunch? No, I think I'll go home and make something instead. So in this case, I'll just save it. I think it would be great to have a new pair of shoes. $70. But instead of some shoes, really, why don't I give some money to one of my favourite charities? So I'll click on Give, type in shoes. Now I get a screen with a link off to my charity, and I can click on that and go and make a donation. It's really cold today. I really want to buy a new coat. $100. So I'll click Buy, choose Coat. Now that's recorded for me. All this data that I'm typing in is stored locally on my phone. So I don't have to register, I don't store anything out on the internet, everything's local. One thing to be aware of, if you clear your browser cache, your data is going to disappear. So we can see that there's a total here of how much I've saved, how much I've given, and what I've bought. That allows you to keep track and set some goals for yourself as to what you'd actually like to achieve. What I can also do is go to my history. In my history, it keeps a track of all the things that I've done, and I can rate how happy I feel about the choice that I made. I'm actually pretty happy about the coat that I bought because it kept me warm. I was pretty happy that I gave some money to charity. And neutral about that one. Neutral about lunch. And now what I can see is things that make me happy, things that don't make me happy. It'd be great if I could change my behaviour so that I didn't waste money on things that don't make me happy, just buy the things that do make me happy. That's a quick summary of how to use Save Give Buy. If you have any feedback, please send it to us. There's a news link here to our blog, and you can leave feedback there.